All right, guys, so it's been hours since I actually mowed the lawn with the Lawn Boy 10323. But I thought I'd make just a quick video. I finally got the cooling shroud, the good used cooling shroud, and the screws on it replaced. Because the original screws I lost, so... But got the new cooling shroud on there, keep it clean. And I'm going to be selling it. So, yeah, the Toro recycler, the Briggs & Stratton Quantum engine. I guess we'll show the model number. I only used it a couple times, but there it is. 20066280075 So the 28 on the serial number indicates this is a 2008 model. So, yeah, we'll give you a startup before I sell it. And I guess I'll do a few passes, even though I just cut the grass, so yeah. All right, let me hold my... Starts first pull every time. All right, do a couple passes. Okay, I guess I'll do a restart. Alright guys, well there you go. Here's the video, the long due video I promised I'd make. So, alright guys, so I guess I'll talk to you later. Alright, until next time everybody, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.